Alright, so I'm back. That's the next day. So we're gonna continue this video. I'm gonna take more off and we're gonna keep going today. So let's go ahead and get right to work. Alrighty, so what we need is, I guess we can go ahead and start getting these manifolds off. I don't know why I didn't do that. I just need to get the old dipstick tube off over here. I literally just pull that out and I'll be fine. So that's all I need to do. I pull that out and we can get these manifolds off. I'm going to keep these and probably reuse them because the goal is to do a turbo setup. So I'm going to keep these manifolds. I'm probably just going to flip them, or I'll get a log manifold for one side to make it extremely simple. That's what I'll do. I'm gonna get a manifold for one side and I'll use the other header. So, yeah. Plan on doing a single turbo, so that's why we're doing all of this extra, breaking the block down and we'll clean it all up. Alright, so we got the dipstick tube off in the passenger side manifold, so make sure you get the dipstick tube off first so that you can take the manifold off, because you have to get the dipstick tube off to be able to get this off. So now we're gonna get the spark plugs out and we're gonna see how those look. Alright, so we got our spark plug wrench. Let's see if we can't get this off. There we go. And boom. Well, I'm not sure I've ever seen a spark plug with the spider web on it. That's definitely a first. Alright, we can tell this motor hasn't been used in a while. Alright, let me get this off. Alright, that's the first one. Wow. Yeah, I'm glad. It's probably a great thing that we took this motor apart to clean it, because it's definitely gonna need it. This one doesn't have it. I mean, these don't look terrible. These spark plugs don't look horrible. Yeah, that one's cooked. I know y'all are wondering though. So these are our 4 spark plugs and they don't look horrible. I mean, but they are cooked. And we had the one with the spider web on it. I'm still trying to figure that one out. Thing literally has spider webs on it. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's crazy. Never seen that ever. Never seen that on any YouTube video. I've never seen that ever. So, I guess we'll go ahead and get the other side off now. Got a little bit more work to do over here. Got to get the plug wires off, and then we'll be able to get the spark plugs out. Or I'll do the manifold and then the spark plug. So I won't show y'all that. We'll just jump to whatever I'm doing next. Alright, so we got the manifolds and spark plugs out of this side. I went ahead and took the motor mount brackets off too. And yeah, so got that off. Got one of the brackets off. I believe that's to the power steering. And the other motor mount bracket. So what else do I need to do? So I guess we can start on the fan assembly next. So go ahead and start on this fan assembly and get this front end off. That way, you don't have to worry about this stuff being in the way when I pull the heads. So we'll pull this off. We've already made a lot of progress in the short time I've been here today. That's what happens when you have some energy, actually. So got the manifolds, dipstick tube, and then got a lot of stuff that was in the way out of the way. So this is gonna be fun getting this off. But I believe it's just these bolts. There's some bolts back here behind it. I gotta make sure those are the ones to get it off, which I mean there's not any other bolts to get the fan off, so we'll see. And yeah, I'll jump back to the video when I get this off. Alright, so I went ahead and took off the water pump and the fan together, which was common sense, but I wasn't thinking. So I got that off and I took the accessory bracket off over there, and I think I'm at a good stopping point for today, so that's probably gonna do it for this video. So this is what we got so far. All we gotta do is take the heads off and throw the valve cover back on here. We gotta take the heads off, pull this pulley on the cam. Well, this pulley, the plate right here, and then we're gonna take the cam off. So that'll be fun, and that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. So let me go ahead and throw this back on. Just slap that on so nothing falls in there. And just like that, we're good. So I'm making a mess in here, got a lot to clean up. So if you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and drop a like. I'm making a lot of progress on this. We really don't have much left to do before, you know, we're down to the bare block, so I can't wait for tomorrow. But hope y'all enjoyed all of this progress I made, and I will see y'all in the next video. So if you haven't already, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch y'all in the next one.